Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best in home and kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated products from Rae Dunn, the 10-piece mixing bowl set with lids. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen with a practical, stylish, and space-saving solution, this could be the perfect addition to your home. So let's take a closer look. First off, this Rae Dunn set is a 10-piece collection, offering 5 nesting prep bowls in varying sizes and 5 tightly fitting lids. What's great about these bowls is their versatility. Whether you're mixing ingredients, serving salads, or storing leftovers, they are designed to handle it all. The bowls are made from BPA-free, durable polypropylene, which means you can count on them to last for years without worry. A standout feature is the blue ombre design, which not only makes them visually appealing but also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. They have a sleek, modern look that perfectly complements Rae Dunn's signature style. When it comes to functionality, these bowls check all the boxes. They're microwave safe, so you can easily reheat your meals without transferring them to another container. Plus, they're freezer safe, which means you can store anything from fruits to soups without any hassle. And cleaning up afterward is a breeze because these bowls are top-rack dishwasher safe. One of the best parts about these mixing bowls is the included airtight lids. These lids provide a secure fit, making it super easy to store your food and keep it fresh. Whether you're prepping snacks, storing fruit, or bringing a dish to a party, these lids ensure that your food stays sealed and safe from spills. If you're someone who's always on the go or loves meal prepping, these bowls are designed with convenience in mind. Their nesting design saves precious storage space, and you can easily stack them inside one another for compact storage. It's perfect for those who want to keep their kitchen organized without sacrificing style or functionality. Not only are these bowls durable and practical, but they're also made with food-safe materials. The BPA-free plastic ensures that your food stays safe and healthy, no matter what you're preparing. The Rae Dunn mixing bowl set is a perfect example of combining design and utility. It's easy to clean, durable, and, most importantly, it helps you stay organized in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or someone who enjoys casual cooking at home, this set will meet your needs. In summary, the Rae Dunn 10-piece mixing bowl set with lids is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their kitchen's functionality and style. Its design is both aesthetically pleasing and practical, making it a fantastic addition to any home. So, if you want to enhance your kitchen experience, this is definitely the product to consider. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.